Hello kids, let's look at chapter 2 from your textbook, Shekhibaz Makhi, which means a fly which is a braggart housefly. Braggart is one who boasts about him or herself. Okay, let's start. एक था जंगल, उस जंगल में एक शेर भोजन करके आराम कर रहा था. So there was a forest, and in that forest, a lion was resting after eating. Jungle means forest, and sher means a lion, and aram means rest. इतने में एक मक्खी उड़ती उड़ती वहां आ पहुंची. In the meantime, a fly, makhi is a fly, uditi uditi vaha, pahunchi came there flying. Pahunchi means actually arrived. It arrived there flying. शेर ने 2-3 दिनों से स्नान नहीं किया था. Snan, bathe. So the lion hasn't bathed in about 2 or 3 days. इसलिए मक्खी शेर के कान के पास के एकदम पास भिन 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 करने लगी. That's why the fly was buzzing bhin bhin bhin, as in moving right around the lion's ear. Kaan means ear. The fly was buzzing around the lion's ear. शेर को बहुत मुश्किल से नींद आई थी. The lion fell asleep with a great difficulty, with a lot of difficulty. Mushkil is difficult. Neend is sleep. उसने पंजा उठाया. The lion lifted its paw. पंजा is paw. Lifted, उठाया. मक्खी उड़ गई, लेकिन फिर से शेर के कान के पास भिन भिन शुरू हो गई. The fly flew away. As soon as the lion lifted its paw, the fly flew away. उड़ गई, flew away. लेकिन फिर से शेर के कान के पास. But again it came back close to the lion's ear and started buzzing. भिन भिन शुरू हो गई. अब शेर को गुस्सा आया. गुस्सा is anger. Now lion became angry because, like we said, the lion didn't fall asleep immediately. With a great difficulty, it fell asleep, and now the fly started disturbing the lion's sleep. So the lion became angry. Here is a picture of what's happening. It's the lion which is napping, taking rest, and the fly is about to come to the lion and disturb it. Okay, next paragraph. वह दहाड़ा आ, अरे मक्खी दूर हट. Dhada is roar and dur is far. So the lion roared. Are makhi, hey fly, dur hut, go away, far away. वरना तुझे अभी जान से मार डालूंगी. वरना else. Jaan is life, mar is hit. So the lion was saying, if you don't go away, abhi, right now, I will kill you. The lion is gonna kill the fly. मक्खी ने धीरे से कहा. The fly said slowly, lowly, in a low voice, ची ची. जंगल के राजा के मुंह से ऐसी भाषा कहीं शोभा देती है. So the fly said in a low voice, ची ची. जंगल के राजा. Who is the king of the forest? Lion. Raja is a king. So it's saying, the fly is saying, you're the king of the forest and you're talking like this. It is disgraceful. Muh. Muh is mouth. Shobha, grace. Bhasha means the language. So the fly is saying, you're uttering such a word from your mouth. You're the king of the forest and you're talking about killing a housefly like me? It is disgraceful to you. शेर को गुस्सा बढ़ गया। उसने कहा, एक तो मुझे सोने नहीं देती, ऊपर से मेरे सामने जवाब देती है। चुप हो जा, वरना अभी। Okay. The lion seems to be warning again. What is it saying? शेर को गुस्सा बढ़ गया. Now the lion became angrier. It was already angry, and the fly was talking back at the lion. So the lion became angrier. बढ़ गया. Gussa बढ़ गया means the anger has increased. What else did the lion say? Said, एक तो मुझे सोने नहीं देती. You don't let me sleep. ऊपर से मेरे सामने जवाब देती है, and you're trying to argue with me. You're trying to talk back at me. चुप हो जा. Shut up. Shut your mouth. वरना अभी, else, right now. And it didn't complete the sentence, but it seems to be giving a stronger warning to the fly. मक्खी बोली, वरना क्या कर लोगे? मैं क्या तुमसे डर जाऊंगी? मैं तो तुमसे भी लड़ सकती हूँ। हिम्मत हो तो आ जाओ। Okay. The fly responded back, said, वरना क्या कर लोगे? Else, what will you do? मैं क्या तुमसे डर जाऊंगी? Do you think I'm scared of you? मैं तो तुमसे भी लड़ सकती हूँ. लड़ means fight. I can fight with you also. Look, what is the fly saying? It is saying that it can fight with a lion. हिम्मत हो तो आ जाओ. Himmat is courage. If you have the courage, come, let's fight. Okay. Okay, the lions in this picture, the lion seems to be injured. Let's see. Maybe we will know what happened to the lion in the next paragraphs. शेर आग बबूला हो उठा, उसने कान के पास पंजा मारा, मक्खी तो उड़ गई पर कान जरा छिल गया. So the lion is ferocious now. It's extremely irritated, very angry at the fly. So what did the lion do? उसने कान के पास पंजा मारा. So it hit right near the ear with its paw. पंजा मारा with its paw. मक्खी तो उड़ गई. The fly flew away. पर कान जरा छिल गया. So when the lion tried to hit the fly with its paw, the fly flew away. So the lion hit itself near the ear. मक्खी उड़कर शेर की नाक पर बैठी तो उसने मक्खी को फिर पंजा मारा. मक्खी उड़ गई. अब की बार शेर की नाक छिल गई. So the fly flew away and came back again to the lion's ear. I'm sorry, nose. Naak is nose. The fly came back and sat on the lion's nose. So the lion lifted its paw again and tried to hit the fly which was on its nose. Makhi ud gayi. The fly flew away again. So what happened? The lion hit its nose. First, the lion hit its ear. Now the lion hit its nose. मक्खी कभी शेर के माथे पर बैठती, कभी गाल पर, तो कभी गर्दन पर. Let's look at the meanings. माथे is forehead, गाल is cheek, gardan is neck. So the fly was moving from one part of the lion's face to another part. So sometimes it was sitting on the lion's forehead, sometimes it was sitting on the lion's cheek, sometimes it was sitting on the lion's neck. शेर पंजा मारता जाता और खुद को घायल करता जाता, मक्खी तो फट से उड़ जाती. घायल means injury. So as the fly was moving from one part of the lion's face to the other, the lion was trying to hit the fly with its paw. But every time the fly flew away, so the lion was hitting itself. sometimes on the forehead, sometimes on the cheek, sometimes on the neck, and so on. So the lion was getting injured all over its face. This is exactly what we are seeing in this picture. Look, there's blood on the lion's nose, and the lion, look at its face. It is in pain, and the fly was flying from one part of the lion's face to other. It was always escaping away from the lion's paw. So, look, try to understand. Lion is a ferocious animal. It's a wild animal. It is a big animal. But the fly is just a small insect. In spite of its size, the fly was giving a hard time to the lion. Okay, let's see what else is happening. मक्खी घमंड में चूर होकर, आई एम सॉरी, आई थिंक आई मिस दिस पैराग्राफ, अंत में शेर ऊब गया, थक गया, वह बोला, मक्खी बहन अब मुझे छोड़ो, मैं हारा और तुम जीती, बस. Ant is end, ऊब means bored, hara means lost, jiti means won. At the end, the lion said lion was tired and also was bored because it was trying to hit, but it never ever could hit the fly. And said, Makhi behan, sister fly, अब मुझे छोड़ो, now please leave me. मैं हारा और तुम जीती, बस, this is enough. I lost, you won. I concede defeat to you. मक्खी घमंड में चूर होकर उड़ती उड़ती आगे बढ़ी. घमंड, proudly, and it started to fly away. सामने एक हाथी मिला. Hathi is an elephant. So as it was going forward, the fly met an elephant. मक्खी ने कहा, अरे हाथी, मुझे प्रणाम कर. Pranam means salute, greet me, like as in you would say namaste. So the fly said to the elephant, salute me. मैंने जंगल के राजा शेर को हराया है, इसलिए जंगल में अब मेरा राज चलेगा. हाथी ने सोचा, इस पागल मक्खी से बहस करने में समय कौन बर्बाद करे. Like I said, Hathi is an elephant. Pranam is greeting, salute. Socha means thought. Pagal is mad. Bahas means argue, debate. Barbad is waste. Okay. अरे हाथी मुझे प्रणाम कर, मैंने जंगल के राजा शेर को हराया. I defeated the king of the forest, which is a lion. इसलिए that's why जंगल में अब मेरा राज चलेगा. So now since I defeated the king of the forest, I will become the king and it's my rule all over the forest. हाथी ने सोचा, the lion thought, इस पागल मक्खी से बहस करने में समय कौन बर्बाद करेगा. The lion did not believe what it's saying. It didn't make sense to the lion. How can such a fly be the king of the forest? But it did not want to waste its time arguing with the fly. It thought the fly was just mad. हाथी ने सूंड ऊपर उठाकर मक्खी को प्रणाम किया और आगे बढ़ गया. सामने से आ रही लोमड़ी ने यह सब देखा. सूंड is trunk. You know, the lion has a trunk. I'm sorry, the elephant has a trunk, and that is soond. Lomadi is fox. So since the elephant didn't want to waste its time, it just lifted its trunk up and pranam kiya, saluted the fly, and it went on its way. Seems smart. It didn't want to waste the time. It went on. But a fox was watching all of this. लोमड़ी मंद मंद मुस्कुराने लगी. इतने में मक्खी ने लोमड़ी से कहा, अरे ओ लोमड़ी, चल मुझे प्रणाम कर. मैंने जंगल के राजा शेर और विशालकाय हाथी को भी हरा दिया है. Now the fly wants the fox also to salute it. लोमड़ी, इतने में मक्खी ने लोमड़ी को कहा, अरे ओ लोमड़ी, hey fox, come on, salute me. I defeated the king of the forest, which is a lion again, and also elephant. I defeated the elephant too. Elephant is such a large animal. I still defeated the elephant. So you also salute me. ओके लोमड़ी ने उसे प्रणाम किया फिर धीरे से बोली सो द फॉक्स प्रणाम किया saluted the fly and धीरे से बोली it said in a low voice धन्य हो मक्खी रानी धन्य हो धन्य है आपका जीवन और धन्य है आपके माता पिता लेकिन मक्खी रानी उधर वह मकड़ी दिखाई दे रही है ना वह आपको गाली दे रही थी उसकी जरा खबर लेना लो ना okay. The fox had a lot to say. First, it saluted the fly and it was praising the fly. Dhanya ho makhi rani, dhanya ho. I'm grateful to you. धन्य है आपका जीवन और धन्य है आपके माता पिता. You lead a great life. Your parents must be great. So it praised the fly in quite a few ways. But it didn't stop there. The fox had something else to say. लेकिन मक्खी रानी बट क्वीन फ्लाई उधर वह मकड़ी दिखाई दे रही है ना मकड़ी इज ए स्पाइडर कैन यू सी दैट स्पाइडर दैट इज ओवर देयर उधर देर वह आपको गाली दे रही थी इट वाज सेइंग बैड थिंग्स अबाउट यू व्हाई डोंट यू लुक एट इट यह सुनकर मक्खी गुस्से से लाल हो उठी मक्खी बोली उस मकड़ी को तो मैं चुटकी बजाते खत्म कर देती हूँ मक्खी द फ्लाई गुस्से से लाल हो उठी आफ्टर हियरिंग व्हाट द फॉक्स हैड टू से द फ्लाई बिकेम एंग्री एंड सेड I will take care of that spider in no time. चुटकी बजा दे खत्म कर दूं देती हूँ. In a snap, I will take care of it. Chutki is like a snap. You know how you snap with your fingers? Just like that. It's very easy for me to take care of that spider. That's what the fly said. यह कहते हुए मक्खी मकड़ी की तरफ झपटी और मकड़ी के जाल में फंस गई. After saying that, the fly flew and leaped towards the spider, but it got stuck in the spider's web. First is stuck. मक्खी जाले से छूटने की ज्यों-ज्यों कोशिश करती गई त्यों-त्यों और भी अधिक फंसती गई. अंत में वह थक गई, हार गई. यह देखकर लोमड़ी मंद-मंद मुस्कुराती हुई वहां से चलती बनी. Now, the fly tried to get out of the spider's web. Jal means web. Koshish is try. It tried a lot to come out of the web, but the more it tried, the deeper it got stuck into the web. अंत में वह थक गई. In the end, it got tired. हार गई. It lost. यह देखकर लोमड़ी मंद मंद मुस्कुराती हुई वहां से चलती बनी. The fox saw this and it smiled happily and left. The author of the story is Yogesh Joshi. So, what is the moral here? Don't irritate, don't do bad things to other people, which is exactly what the fly was doing to the lion. Just because it had its way around the lion, it thought too much about itself. But the fox, which is smart or cunning, taught the fly a good lesson. So that brings to the end of this chapter. Hope you had a good time and understood the chapter, kids. I will post another video explaining the keywords that are found in this chapter.